Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about your downspout drain, which is the most important drain in your rainwater drainage system. This is the pipe, of course, that comes from the roof, gathering the gutters, brings it down the downspout and into this downspout drain, which runs out to the street. Sometimes what you'll see is your downspout will have a gap between here and the downspout adapter. So what's happening is this pipe's actually sinking. These fittings are not watertight. Even if you glued them, they still wouldn't hold. And the pipe will tend to settle and sink down slowly. So you've got a gap that's formed here. Now when the rain comes down the downspout, some of it goes in here, but most of it splashes around, goes down into the crawl space or your basement, either one. This is a simple repair. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to dig this area up down to this 90. You're going to wiggle this pipe loose and pull it out. Then you'll make a new measurement from the bottom of the fitting up to the downspout, which is where the downspout adapter will attach. This video shows you how to do that. This is something the homeowner can do, save you a lot of time, a lot of money, especially the money, because if you've got a wet basement, this is probably the problem.
The separation between the downspout and the pipe allows all that roof water to just pour down along your basement wall. So here's a downspout adapter that we're going to repair. First, you dig up the pipe down to the elbow. Takes a little bit of work. Usually there's some roots, things like that, but you'll dig this up until you get down to the elbow. Next, you're going to just wiggle that pipe until it comes loose from the fitting that you just dug up down underground. Okay, now you need to loosen the downspout strap. You need to do this because you're going to need some play in the downspout to put this all back together. So take out the screw and push or pull the downspout to one side. Now remove the old pipe. Just wiggle it free from the 90 that's sitting down below. Clean out any debris that has dropped down into the elbow. Don't be afraid to get your fingers dirty. You can see the elbow, that's a 90-degree fitting, and we're going to slide a new piece of pipe right down inside there. Use a piece of pipe and make a measurement. Make a mark on the pipe and cut your pipe to length. Make sure you use a good hacksaw because the pipe has to be cut fairly straight. Place a new pipe into the elbow, push it tight into the fitting. Push hard so it sits down tight. The downspout should be just above the pipe now. Next, attach your downspout adapter and push the pipe to the side, push the downspout to the side, and force them together. This will be a very tight fit. Sorry, I had to move the camera there for a second. Push it over and push that downspout adapter down onto the pipe. That pretty much completes the install. One thing left to do is to go ahead and tighten up that downspout strap because that really holds everything in place. So we're putting a new screw in here using our drill. Secure the downspout tight, cover it up, and you're done. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.
Add a catch basin, not a blind inlet. It does not work